5 seconds. Mr. Akhleshwar Prasad Singh, learned senior counsel, and Mr. Ajay Kumar Thakur, learned counsel, appearing as amicus curiae, submit that though the instant issue has not been subject matter of considerations before the full bench of Punjab and Haryana High Court or before any other court, some of the important aspects of the proviso as well as interpretation of the term victim has engaged judicial considerations in the recent past which can throw some light on the issue at hand. Apart from decision of full bench of Punjab and Haryana High Court in the case of MS Tata Steel Limited Supra, references have been made to a division bench decision of this court in the case of Parmeshwar Mandal versus State of Bihar, reported in 2014 first PLJR 377, and to the case of Subhash Chandra versus State Delhi Administration, reported in 2013 to SCC 17. We would first refer to the decision of full bench of Punjab and Haryana High Court rendered in the case of MS Tata Steel Limited Supra was constituted in view of two separate references made by two different learned senior judges of Punjab and Haryana High Court, both arising out of complainant cases. In one such case, a learned single judge, while considering the application seeking leave of the court to prefer an appeal against the order of the acquittal in a case under section 279, 337, 338 and 304A IPC, noticed an apparent conflict between proviso to section 372 and section 378 CRPC and made the following reference. The full bench of Punjab and Haryana High Court noticed in MS Tata Steel Limited Supra that the High Court are at variance in their views whether Section 2 WA would cover victim in a complainant case as well, whereas Rajasthan High Court, Allahabad High Court and Punjab and Haryana High Court held that Section 2 WA would cover a complainant case. Madhya Pradesh High Court, Bombay High Court and Maharashtra High Court held that a complainant would not fall under proviso to section 372 of the code. The Uttarakhand High Court, in special leave to appeal in criminal appeal number 139 of 2011, Bhagwan Singh versus State of Uttarakhand and ANR, observed that appeal against order of acquittal in a complainant case which involves commission of a non-cognizable and bailable offence would also fall in clause of subsection of section 378, and hence the victim who was complainant in a private complaint could file in High Court appeal under the proviso to section 372, but after obtaining special leave to appeal by the High Court. We need not elaborate at length on issues number C and D dealt with in MS Tata Steel Limited Supra by the full bench of Honorable Punjab and Haryana High Court, wherein it has been held at para 90 that right conferred on victim to present appeal under the proviso to section 372 is a substantive and independent right and is not contingent upon the filing of appeal by the state in the case under section 378 1 2 of the code. The full bench of the Honorable Punjab and Haryana High Court in MS Tata Steel Limited Supra has held that the legislative scheme does not permit an inter-se comparison of the rights and duties guaranteed or assigned to a victim or the state under the aforesaid chapter of the code and the rights of the victim emanating from the proviso to section 372 are distinct from those of the state. From the aforesaid discussions, it is evident that the right of a victim under the proviso of section 372 of the code are substantive.